Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the audio download quality in the Spotify mobile app. This is useful if you want better sound quality when listening offline, or to save storage space by choosing a lower quality. First, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy from the menu. After that, tap on Media Quality. You will find the download quality setting. Finally, choose High to get the best audio quality for your downloads. That's it. Now, your downloaded songs will have improved sound quality. To sum up, changing the download quality in Spotify is simple and helps you enjoy better music offline. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.